So in this video, we'll do the unboxing of AirPods, Apple's AirPod and AirPod 2, second generation. And this one is with MagSafe, and these ones are the regular ones. So let's get started. Let's unbox the regular AirPods first. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see, there we go. As you can see, it's designed by Apple in California. Some manuals and papers. So AirPods, some instruction manuals on how to set up, and some warranty information and regulatory information, some documentation on that, and again some more manuals. And here are the regular AirPods. So it's with charging case, and this is how you open it. And I bought these from Costco. They were on sale. So these are the two AirPods. As you can see, one for each ear. And here's the regular lightning charging. So that's about it in this box. There's nothing in there. Let's just double check. Maybe there is a cable there, I hope. Yeah, there's the charging cable. You can see it's a lightning USB-A to lightning cable. So that's for charging the AirPod case. So let's see what's in the in the other. These are AirPods second generation with MagSafe charging case. So let's open these and see what's in the box. Let's open the box. Again, same kind of manuals there. How to connect AirPods, some instructions there, how to connect to the phone, and there's the button there that tells you how much charge, whether it's fully charged or not. The same kind of manuals in there. Let's put these aside. And here's the AirPods 2. And again, they both were on sale in Costco, so I bought both for as a gift for somebody. So these are the regular the AirPods 2. As you can see, they're smaller. The stem is smaller, and we can do a side-by-side comparison for both. So here's the comparison to the charging case, and here's the regular right side of the AirPods, and here's the right side of the AirPods, and this is the AirPods 2. As you can see, they both are a little bit different. The charging case is a little bit different. This is a little bit taller, and this is wider, and you got a button there that indicates how much charging is there, or whether it needs to be case or anything needs to be charged. Same on the AirPod as well, but it doesn't have an indicator that indicates the battery life. And you can see, as you can compare. So the stem is longer on AirPods and a little bit shorter on the AirPods 2. The design is a little bit different as well, and you can see there's a tap button there, and this stem doesn't have it. So that's about in this video, and that's about in the AirPods and the AirPod 2 case and box. So AirPods 2 also comes with a charging case, charging cable. Again, this is USB-C to USB-C. As you can see, it's USB-C to Lightning. So regular AirPods come with Lightning from USB-A to USB-A to Lightning, and AirPods 2 come with USB-C to Lightning. So that's the difference between the cables as well. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Help me grow this channel. Likes are really appreciated, and subscriptions are really appreciated. Please consider subscribing to my channel and help me grow this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.